Magandang gabi po mga kababayan. Andito po ngayon ako sa Biga Town at bibidyohan ko po mga kababayan ng Plaza Biga. Kaya ngayon, subaybayan niyo mga kababayan itong pagbablog ko. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jaime Tonda. Thank you. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayan po mga kababayan ng munisipyo ng Biga. Napakaganda.
Men's singles,
Nice.
17 and below
Mga kababayan.
For the second runner-up,
Itong munisipyo
we have
ito mga kababayan.
Mark Lawrence A. Francisco.
Pinagawa ni Mayor Tarin dito sa Biga Town mga kababayan. Ayan. Andito lang po ako sa labas ng plaza. At hindi pa po ako pumapasok ng plaza po mga kababayan. Kaya panoorin. Ang taas po niya mga kababayan.
And for our first runner-up, we have Khalil
Kaya po
Rose
ang
Cuquero.
mobile ng pulis po mga kababayan nakabantay rito. At alamin po natin mga kababayan dito sa loob ng plaza.
And the representative
Shout out. Thank you.
And for the champion in the men's singles 17 below category and badminton tournament, we have Emron Jones G. Torelit.
And for the men's singles, 18 and above category. For the second runner-up, we have John Lloyd Oval. And a representative.
For the first runner-up, we have Dexter O. Tulon.
And for our champion, we have Noel E. Angeles Jr. And for the women's singles, 17 and below category. For the second runner-up, we have Jamaica T. Marapo.
Mga kababayan, ang katabi ko po mga kababayan si JP. Kaya tambal.
And for the first runner-up, we have Giselle T. Tugay.
Mga kababayan, yung video ko na ito
And a representative of
sabi ko napapanood
And
ko
for the champion,
sabi ko
we have Francesca Artilo.
And for the women's singles 18 and above category, we have second runner-up, Niña T. Tulon. For the first runner-up, we have Shane Amor Ogalinola. And for the champion, for the women's singles 8 and above category, for the badminton tournament, we have Luis Ann O. Valenzuela. That concludes for the 2025 awarding for the 2025 Biga Paray Festival Sport Fest Tournament. Congratulations to all the winners.
Following that, we will also recognize outstanding Biganon youth achievers and organizations who have excelled in sports, academic, arts, and other fields of excellence. Young individuals who serve as an inspiration to their peers.
Before that, we would like to acknowledge the all LNK events facilitators. First, we have Daniela Valencia,
Helen Lloyd Otalesco,
Vanna Isabel Balmaceda,
Sean Lester Tampermerco, Christian Dapula,
Mariflor N. Nieva, Maria Charlene L. Mendoza,
Jerome Borromeo,
Krisa May Calderon,
Charles Kevin Pradas,
James Telerva,
Geraldine Toledo,
Vincent J. Tesoro,
Clarice May Manlangin,
Eliza Ashley Padilla,
Elaine Sohon,
Shaina Moyo,
Annalisa Torio,
Jessie Publico,
Emma Jan Eta,
Benny Carlo T. Tijada,
Christine Lagmay,
Judy Ann M. Padilla,
Emma Luis T. Barcel,
Raven Renz Flores,
and Ryan Tood. Laban. Again, thank you for helping. Thank you so much. Nagpapahilig talaga na ang kabataang Biganon ay very active.
And for the Youth Organization Registration Program, we have Summit Youth Organization, San Jose Oco Youth Organizations, and Viga Youth DRRM Organization. And a representative from those organizations
Bangit Youth Organization, San Jose Oco Youth Organization,
Viga Youth DRRM Organization, Youth Rise Organization,
Osmeña Youth Organization, Tambumon Youth Organization,
Kabataan kontra Droga at Terorismo, 4-H Club, and San Isidro Barangay Youth Pastoral Forum. And a representative from those active youth organizations.
Wala silang hindi sila ayaw may entrance fee. Walang entrance fee, pero isang tipo 1,000.
Also, it is acknowledged the timely submission of monitoring and evaluation M&E report for the barangays, Barangay Anano, Tambumon, Peña Francia, Magsaysay, Almojela, and Barangay Quezon. Again, for the timely submission of monitoring and evaluation M&E report, we have the barangays, Barangay Anano, Tambumon, Peña Francia, Magsaysay, Almojela, and Barangay Quezon.
And for the timely submission of the Katipunan ng Kabataan KK Profile, we have Barangay Almojela, Barangay Anano, Barangay Batohonan, Barangay Butinagan, Barangay Buenavista, Barangay Burgos, Del Pilar, Magsaysay, Peña Francia, Quezon, Rizal, San Roque, and Tambumon.
Yang madali ah.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Municipal Councilor Jasper Adrian Sidlacan. Hello po, Kagawan.
Again, congratulations to those organizations and active LNK facilitators who have made the Linggo ng Kabataan successful. And now, let's go to the passers and for those young individuals who excels and wields our passers. First, we have Rosel Joy T. Tusi, licensure examination for professional teachers last December 2024.
Kagawad, may we invite you on stage, please? Next, Jonah G. Luna, for passing the licensure examination for professional teachers last December 2024.
We have Monica N. Tilo, Agriculturist Licensure Examination, last November 2024.
Daniela Grace L. Aliman, for passing the Civil Service Examination last March 2025.
We have Tumala Rosie Maris Kunchi, Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers, last December 2025.
Ma'am Monica,
Ano, 2025, December.
Also, we want call Daniela Grace Aliman. Daniela Grace L. Aliman for passing the Civil Service Examination last March 2025. Also, we have Vedant P.O.G. for passing the licensure exam for Certified Internal Audit Specialist last December 20, 2024. Certified Payroll Specialist licensure exam last December 26, 2024. And Chartered Tax Professional Licensure Examination last February 14, 2025. Already received the certificate.
Nina Tito Helida, Pastor of Nutritionist and Dietitian Licensure Examination last November 2024. And now we will proceed to the academics. Eliza Ashley L. Padilla, Academic Distinction and Bachelor of Science in Economics. Eliza Ashley L. Padilla.
We have John Lester T. Templonebo, excelling as Catanduanes State University Dean's Lister, Catanduanes State University Student Council President, receiving a presidential award as the most outstanding organization as CATSU USC President, and as a champion in the extemporaneous speaking during the Provincial 4-H Club Achievement Day.
Wow! Wow, John Lester. Ang haba-haba ng iyong
A
palakpakan
round of
naman.
applause, everyone.
And now we have Vega Lexan Merit Hildo, cum laude in Bachelor of Science in Values Education. Vega, and your representative, please.
Next, we have Vergara John Michael Toplano, Leadership Awardee.
yung mga awardees is wala ngayon, pwede naman po any representative, maybe the SK chairman, or any friend or relative of the awardee.
Next, we have Georgina Lucado, Academic Excellence.
Any representative of Georgina? We will now proceed to Charlene B. Tubato, outstanding performance in the Regional School Press Conference, News Writing in Filipino.
Next, we have Gian Nicole B. Vega, Academic Excellence.
Next, we have Andrea Olonan, cum laude in Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Social Studies.
And now, let's proceed to the awarding of the youths who excels in sports. First, we have Rachi Torio Tumaque, representing the volleyball team in the regional competition.
Also, we have Mark Edsel Vicente Morales, outstanding performance in the Palarong Pambansa 3x3 basketball tournament as a quarter finalist.
Next, we have Daniel Joseph C. Tomasar, outstanding performance in the Palarong Pambansa 3x3 basketball tournament as a quarter finalist. Next, we have Franz John Kirby Humores Umanat, outstanding performance in the Palarong Pambansa 3x3 basketball tournament as a quarter finalist. And a representative from those individuals. Next, we have Ken Swaren Mabura, outstanding performance in the Palarong Pambansa 3x3 basketball tournament as a quarter finalist.
And for our last awardee, we have Joanne Christine D. Tapar, outstanding performance in volleyball secondary girls during the 2024 to 2025 Bicol Meet.
Again, congratulations to those youths who excelled in passing the licensure examinations in academics and sport. Now, let's award the certificate of recognition to BRDHS Drum and Life Corps in grateful recognition and high regard for their outstanding talent, dedication, and achievement as the champion of the Drum and Life Corps competition and for bringing honor to the municipality of Viga as one of its representative in the 2025 Abaca Festival. This achievement is a testament to their excellence, commitment, which have brought pride and inspiration to our community. Given this 12th day of August 2025 at Viga Town Plaza, Viga, Catanduanes, signed by Mirna E. Villamartin, PDO1 LYDO Designate, Mark J.P. Aguinillo, SKMF President, and our Municipal Mayor, Jennifer M. Toplano. And last, certificate of recognition is hereby presented to Viga Abaca Festival dancers and grateful recognition and high regard for their outstanding talent, dedication, and achievement as the champion of the Abaca Baile Festivals of Festival Street Dance Competition. Given this 12th day of August 2025 at Viga Town Plaza. Signed by Mirna E. Villamartin, PDO1 LYDO Designate, Mark J. Aguinillo, SKMF President, and our Municipal Mayor, Jennifer M. Toplano. Pagbaba daw po, masampol ka mo.
Ang pagbaba, kaibuhan, nakatumbling. Kaya,
Ayan, delikado.
Sample daw po pababa. Sample daw pababa.
Masayaw pagbababa.
Again, a big congratulations to all awardees. Keep the fire of excellence burning.
Thank you so much to our guests.
Thank you so much to all our guests.
And now let us hear a short message from a youth enthusiast, a youth enthusiast counselor, Honorable Municipal Councilor Jasper India Siblacan. As a message ng Bukagawan,
Hanggang
hindi pwedeng wala.
bukas at 13, 14, 15.
And kailangan masayaw.
Kung anong mga event, nandito lang po ako nakasubaybay sa kanila. Kaya panoorin nyo ako hanggang 15 o may makasama minsan isa.
Good evening po sa gabos na mga youth
Good night
ng
sa
Banwaan
mga
ng Viga. Diyos pa rin ang magitabi sa inyo.
Followers ko, marami pong salamat sa inyo. Subaybayan nyo.
Diyos pa rin ang magitabi sa inyo gabos. May nalalawag ka mo.